ground. Ne? So, Genesis chapter 1. Sibona la uNkulunkulu athi akube khona izihlahla, akube khona ama-fruits, akube khona seed bearing plants, akube khona le, you understand? That's chapter 1. So wakhuluma uNkulunkulu ukuthi azibe khona. Kusho ukuthi ama-seed walezinto abakhona. But uNkulunkulu azange azivumele. Uthi Noah verse 2 now.
Verse 2.
Yeah.
Genesis chapter
2 verse 5. Yeah.
Ngesikhathi uSimakade uNkulunkulu edala umhlaba.
Yeah.
Kwakungakabi bikho zihlahla ezweni. Kwakungakalimi nezitshalo emhlabethini.
Kwakungakamili ne? Okay.
Ngoba wayengakayinisi imvula futhi kungekho namuntu wokulima umhlabathi.
Isizulu nale sakho.
Isizulu.
Okay. Day 1. Siyahluka kancane ne? Funde sakho sizwe.
Lesakazi kusinja.
Yeah.
Yeah. Verse 5. Kwakungabikho sihlahla endle namifino yayingakamili emhlabathini. Ngokuba uJehova uNkulunkulu wayengakanisi imvula emhlabeni. Kungakabikho muntu wokulima emhlabathini.
Simple. Listen to this. uNkulunkulu une picture yomuntu omanageayo. Yayibona? So uNkulunkulu akafuni ngama resources wakhe. Do you know that? uNkulunkulu akafuni ngento zakhe. By the time as release, ufuna ukukunika izinto zakhe because ubona a certain quality. Lithi ku verse 1 ukhulumile ukuthi akube khona izitshalo, akube khona lithi bekungakamili izitshalo, bekungakamili mix ne? Why? Because uNkulunkulu bekabambe imvula ukuthi ingani. Lithi why abambe imvula? Because there was no man to till the ground. Meaning there was no man to manage the ground. Meaning there was no manage. So when you are called to lead, you are called to manage the things that are everything around you. Number 1, khulekela uNkosikazi. Wahluleka ukumphatha kahle yahamba. Uhluleka ukumanage. uNkulunkulu akuphi imali. Uyibhubhudle iphelele ungazi ukuthi iphelele. You understand? Exactly. uNkulunkulu akafuni ngento zakhe. uNkulunkulu uyachecka ukuthi makakupha ama resources waphatha kanjani. Yazokala into ngisho. Anything that you misuse, you lose. Kuloku ukupha umzimba. Faka ama drugs, wenze yonke into, lale la ulale lapha ya. Anything that you misuse, you lose. Yayitho? But once uNkulunkulu athola imanager kuwe, sekatholeni the right candidate to channel blessings. Because uyazi ukuthi lo muntu mangemnika into ngeke iphelele, izokhula, uzoyinakekela. This person is a manager. You understand? So when we are called into ministry, awubizelwanga nje ukuthandaza ufundise kuphela. You must also be a manager of something. You understand? So that means iqhaqha ingqondo yakho. Iqhaqha thola ukuthi yini le i-calling yakho ikusa kuphi. uNkulunkulu akadalanga itafula nesitulo, dala isihlahla. Bizo uyathandaza. Mawuvula amehlo ehlanu ubona isihlahla. Until izingqondo ivule ukuthi ngesikhatha lesihlahla, ngenze wardrobe la, ngenze isitulo la, ngenze itafula la. Now sewuna something ukufakela ukudla. You understand? So if you are called into ministry, you must be a manager or something. Yazokala lento le. Cabanga izwi, cabanga business. Cabanga izwi, cabanga business. And okay, asithi uyasebenza. Do you know ukuthi noma ungasebenza, still you must also have something oyenza esayidini. Izwi lithi do not put all your eggs in one basket. Ngiyathola into le. Sokanjalo ku proverb, ngithi if une stream osithole emsebenzini uqashiwe uyahola la. Akube nenye eholayo la. Akube nenye evelayo lapha. Kanjalo ubonisa uNkulunkulu ukuthi I can manage every branch onginikeza. If ukwazi ukumanage business, if ukwazi ukumanage ikhaya, manage ibandla, manage business, uye nasemsebenzini. Zonke lezi zinto zenzeke kahle. at the end of the day sikufakele something. uNkulunkulu uba glorified when we succeed. That is why athu Jesu mina okwami ukuthi ngithathe okababa ngimnikeze kona. So uJesu uthola udumo iglory. Hayi masithi uyigcwele. The time sowubusiseka wena kuvuleka ama channel kula uthi ungcwele. You understand? Because Jesus Christ is in the business of answering prayers. That's all. So when I'm uthandaza, uNkulunkulu akamameli umthandazo aphinde umthandazo. Ubheka ivision. Ngoba kuNkulunkulu kutholakala into ebizwa iprovision. uNkulunkulu uthola
Vision.
meaning he provides for.
Vision.
If there's no vision,
No pro.
yeah, no pro. Simple, yayibona? So injalo indaba yeministry. Akumelanga uyibheke nje la kuphela. Then sifunde something futhi kuJesu. uJesu uthi kuPeter, hamba uye lapha emanzini ubambe ifish yokuqala. Ifish yokuqala uzoyibamba uyivula umlomo. Ukhipha amacoin ayithula. Number 1, ubhadalele mina i-tax. Number 2, uzibhadalele i-tax. There are 2 teachings in one sentence. Marana izolani konto ithulile. Kuna 2 teachings in one sentence. Number 1, go and preach. Inhlanzi ozoyibamba lapho while you are preaching. Beba abadobi babantu. That is why any example uJesu benzela bona ngalento abayazi. So hamba ubamba ifish, angithi good ngubamba ifish, hamba ubamba ifish. Leyo uzoyibamba kuqala uyivule umlomo, uzothola ama coin. Ubhadalele mina kuqala. So number 1, the first teaching, go and preach, win souls. You understand? Labantu uNkulunkulu akunikeze bona. uNkulunkulu makakunikeza uqobo, ukunikeza nabantu. Labantu uNkulunkulu akunikeza bona. When you teach them, mawubafundisa bavula umlomo, icoin izokhula. You will know how to pay for you. But uthi Jesu badalela mina kuqala, then uzibhadalele wena. Ufundisani lapha. Anything oyibambayo mase ubambile eyokuqala it's tithe ayeke uNkulunkulu. Then eyesithu ya. Yebo? But if you want to possess a curse, thathe kaJesu kube yakho, uphinde uthathe neyakho. Then you will always be in trouble. There's a reason why athu Jesu ubhada amacoin afanayo, i-tax iyafana. But uthu Jesu qale ngalo. Bhadalele mina kuqala bese ubhadalele wena. Yayibona? So uNkulunkulu usebenza ngama-principle. If you have principles in life, you will never go wrong. Wena mele uzibekele ukuthi angidluli la. Abanye bayadlula noma kanjani, but mina ngiphelele la. Kulento yasho uJesu kubo wakho. Bathi asambe kune-party le. Uzobabonisa lento zakho. Fike lapho shaye lento zakho bawa abantu. Wathi uJesu for nina, the time is always right. Esami isikhathi esikafika. Umuntu onjani lo? Onama values. Umuntu o-disciplined. Umuntu owaziyo ukuthi this is right for me, this is not right for me. Yabona? Umuntu owazi isikhathi. Isikhathi sabantu basezweni hlale kuyiso. Anytime is tea time. But isikhathi somntwana kaNkulunkulu khona isikhathi sokwenza into, mara sikhona isikhathi sokuthi le yakusela. Yabona? So you develop this thing as you go. But iqala kancane kancane. Life is in stages. Khona stage. Thina sithanda ukufana noJesu la bekagibele idonki angena eJerusalem. Sifuna ukuthi masihamba abantu basibekele izinto, life ibe right, yabo? Exactly. But ukhumbula ukuthi uJesu kuwe, ne? If you resemble Christ, there will be a time la everyone will be bowing to you. But there will be a time la abantu bakuthuka khona, bakukhafulela khona, bakushiya khona, bakushaya khona. You understand? Uthi uMpostoli Paul, anginandaba mina mabenza lokho kimi, ngiqedelela imivimbo bekumele bayishaye kuJesu. Ayithola lento le. So life is in stages. Melo understand ukuthi sizofika leso sikhathi. So isikhathi esisoma sifika khona i-trick engayifunda kumele. makuba nzima kakhulu awulindi ubunzima buze kuqeda iperiod yakho ayangazi usingiza mangabe le challenge bekumele ihlale 6 months before wena uphumelele wena ufake i-catalyst you speed up the process if bekumele le challenge ithathe 6 months ungayenza ithathe 3 months kanjani
Kanjani?
ngibuza
No. Kanjani?
kanjani mina sizwe
No thina siya.
Silalele
Thina siya. Thina siyinyoni esidlekeni masinyakaza.
so nayi secret the time i-challenge ibankulu to speed up the process uphuma ebantwini you fast more you pray more you understand exactly the time wenza kanjani you are speeding up the process lento bekumele ithathe boma 6 months ingagcina ithathe 4 months 3 months 2 months you understand so i-challenge isaba umthandazo i-challenge isaba ubukhona bukaNkulunkulu you understand the more uNkulunkulu asondela the more i-challenge ifuna ukushesha iqede ihambe yabona so you fast more you pray more you are speeding up the process yaleso simo
Amen.
yabona
So uma wenza njalo baba ufasta more ukhuleka more
yeah
ngabona ngathi lento ngathi iza ngamandla
yes mayenza kanjani ifuna okay asithi manje kunenje evalelekile lapha yena kuseyala and wena ufuna ukuyikhipha umnyango uyi1 mawungena lapho ufuna ukuyishayela nje le mayibona ukuthi angina enye indlela izoyenza njani exactly or kusala yayigcineni kumele iphele le yanto yabona so i-challenge njalo the time ufasta kakhulu uthandaza kakhulu ilwa kakhulu ngoba ifuna ukushesha iqede ihambe yethola lento le
So iya ku maturity yayo quick
exactly
and the maturity yayo uqina kwayo.
yeah ngoba kule 6 months i-challenge iyaqala ayikusesengcono nyana sesenamasenti nyana iphuphu nyana ikhona i-challenge iyaqhubeka ezinye izinto ziloko ziyaphela i-challenge iyaqhubeka so uyaqala uyabona manje ukuthi hayi man life yami kwenzakalani exactly i-challenge lokhu iyakhula you understand because the aim ukuthi when two powers meet the lesser power must power so i-challenge ifuna ukubeka phansi kunqobe yona nawe kumele ulwele ukuthi ubeke i-challenge phansi kunqobe yona but uyibeka kanjani i-challenge phakathi kwe-challenge so you fast and pray the more you fast the more you pray you are speeding up the process yale challenge yetwa so once wayifunda leyo secret inkinga eziningi they will be too much for you but uzozinqoba abantu bazomangala udlula kanjani because wena ubamba secret ukuthi I know ke ukuthi makuze isibusiso kwenzakala so sengiyazi makuzoze isibusiso uqala i-challenge ibe nkulu ubone ukuthi le yidrama yomhlaba you understand so wenza njani you don't answer any critics nanoma bangakuthuka nanoma bangathi wenze so awuphenduli anything abayishoyo right but lento abayishoyo uyayithatha uyiletha kuNkulunkulu emthandazweni kwenzakalani ngoElisha inkosi yaseIsrael ama-Assyria bathi befuna ukuhlasela iIsrael uElisha athole imessage basayiplan
Besayiplan yes.
ahambisa imessage ukuthi baplan ukune-attack lapha valani lapha mabathi bayafika bathola sekuvalile bamangala ukuthi kwenzakalani baze babamba imeeting babodwa the Assyrians bathi ubani la kini oyempimbi la bani ngoba njalo masilanda labantu sibathola sebasilindile so ubani lo la kithi ukuthatha indaba azise lapha wathi omunye akho umuntu la uthatha indaba azise lapha unalendo esendabeni there's a man in the mountain you understand that's very deep mngana bese but okay so loya utshela lo nono lo simtshele thina asimprepare azi ukuthi siyenze nono sihlanganeni sazi silwe sibone ukuthi bani wena ngabhali letter ngibhalele letter banikeza inkosi yaka-Israyeli. Inkosi yaka-Israyeli lithi wayithathi letha. This is what you do uma uchallenge ibandla, thola ama-challenges endlini, thola ama-challenges community, because as a pastor uyabona ukuthi uma senza into so senza lento la enkonzweni, abantu bala enkonzweni abezi mara bayengakho abantu abathi bazoza from exactly baningi. So this is a blessing in disguise. That means you must move la, ngakumelanga sisalethe into ezinhle la. You must go out la bazo appreciate lento. You understand? La kunabantu abaningi nanoma ngabe bekangazi ukwenza anything, but kuba khona bathola information but they don't have that. You understand? So now sino plan B khona la siya khona and they are waiting to hear lento la. You understand? Any challenge yenza kaNkulunkulu, it's a blessing in disguise. Yebo. So yenza njengale nkosi yaka-Israyeli when you are facing challenges anywhere. Thatha lento izwile abayikhulumayo ngoba inkosi yabhala iletha. Inkosi yaka-Israyeli wayithatha wayifunda wayisethempelini wathi uNkulunkulu izwa ukuthi labantu bathi angazi ukuthi ngizwa. Wayithatha le nto azange atshela unkosikazi wakhe, azange atatazele, zange athi maqeda ukuyifunda ababhalela iletha nabo bathumela baphindisela. Wathatha le nto wayifunda wezwa ukuthi kuthiwani ngayo, kuthiwani ngayo. Wathatha le nto wayinikeza uNkulunkulu wathi izwa bathi lithi ngalobo busuku uNkulunkulu wathumela ingelosi A1 yabulala 185,000 people lapha. One angel. You understand? But if inkosi yathatha le letter yayifunda yaphindisela uNkulunkulu bengekaza be. So ama challenges wethu yabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu usibize ku-ministry sibancane kanjani. Funda everything ekumele uyifunde. Yabo. Usesenesikhathi enough bana sokufasta. Khuleke strong. Go fast. Khona ke wangibuza mina masiqale senze special data ngiqala ukwakha ke siqala ukwakha. Lapho ndoda ingqondo in between yazibuza ngiyayenza vele. What if iyafail? What if bazobhidliza ibuilding bathi sakhe endaweni wrong? What if? You understand? But ngathi because uNkulunkulu uyikhombile ngizowakha. Mayingafeyila kufeyile yena hayi mina. Yayibona? Baba ngaqhubeka. Naku wonke umuntu usekayakha manje bayakha abantu. You understand? Oh yeah, nathi yakha. Beyisidinga nathi. Yabona? Iyakhula iba into enkulu. Wathi itrain yabuya abalungisa lapha bazobeka ama crane la. No, for besilungisa without a crane la. Yayithola into le.
Andibasilungisa.
Kahle nje. Without a crane la. Yebo.
Usizothi isithumela. Sizofika ngayo.
So uyayithola into le. So life ifunani. Every challenge, do not debate. Awudebate, awuzivikeli, awuzijustify ebantwini. Thatha lento abantu abayikhuluma ngawo. Bese kuNkulunkulu. You understand? Abantu abangakhuluma into kanti vele yini. Abakhuluma into ngoba bacabanga ukuthi. If you know ukuthi bakhuluma into ngoba bacabanga ukuthi, you know God is on your side. But if bakhuluma into ngoba yiyo, repent. You understand? Yeah. Ezwakala. Cacile. So injani. So kule ndlela yeministry you find your way ngokuhamba noNkulunkulu. Nokutshela abantu ukuthi mina ngumfundisi wentaba. Angizizwa kahle ifo nginyanga entabeni ngokuthandaza. That quality time uthule kungaphithizeli kube uwe noNkulunkulu. Ukuthandaza, ukufundisa, ukuphinda phinda, thandaze ngalo. Fika ukukhathala, fika ukuthongolala lapho. Mawuvuka ne-revelation uvuke nayo, mawungavukanga nayo uyahlala uyathula umamela ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthini. Fundisa, meditate, pray ngezinto zasenkonzweni. Uke wehle wenyuka lokuzula isigaba sonke nje kulokuthandaza. Yethola into le. Nokuzula nje kulokuthandaza. Khulekele bandla all these challenges khulume noNkulunkulu. Understand? Into emnandi ehlanga unesikhathi sakho sokukhuluma, unesikhathi sokufundisa, unesikhathi sokuthula. uthule. That's where you get revelations. When you start to touch it directly, so and the most ehlane, if uNkulunkulu drop something in your spirit, mhlambe a business idea. The time ubhizi uyibhala. So uyayibona ukuthi okay, then mase so bese ibe so uyayidesign. uHabakuk chapter 2 is my favorite scripture because yiyo engibekela kamnandi ekwazi uku-explain kahle ukuthi how to go about ngalento kaNkulunkulu. Ne uthi write your vision very clear on tablets ukuthi lo ozoyibona agijime nayo. Maqedwe uyamchazela ukuthi ivision yiyo. Uthi although lento izothatha isikhathi but ukusala izoyenzeka. Yabona? Abantu mababona iGod's throne manje banokuthi hey usibembe thina simazi eyama instrument nani kuzoyenzeka sizofika la. Ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi masingafaki instrument manje sobona ngathi sifikile la siya khona. Yabona? But if siloko silungisa one day kuyobe kuphelile kusafe abantu baqale bezwe instrument but
ready for
abantu mabathi mabeza bathola ukuthi pastors are well trained. Bathola ukuthi they are deep entweni zikaNkulunkulu. Bathola ukuthi i-standard sezwe i-quality yempilo, the way siphila ngakhona, the way kufundiswa ngakhona, the way kushunyayelwa ngakhona, it's life changing. Mabafike iGod's throne seyikuleya level. You understand? Thola ukuthi i-level ye-worship seyikwenye level. Yeba? So that is why when we worship la challenge youth yala kakhulu. But man, I'm praying for that day. One day uNkulunkulu uzosipha nje only 5 or only 2 people abazoba ama worshipers. Babambe the whole service everywhere la ngihamba khona. You understand? Because I understand ukuthi at the end of the day ngigcina ngisipana njenge time alarm. Thathe even faka izinto ze ministry, thathe team sambe siyosebenza. You understand? Sebenze uNkulunkulu ngibuye. Ngihlale for a month after some time sengiyazi ngihamba ngentabeni mangibuya lapho. Ngiyalapho. You understand? I know at the end of the day ngikho ngisebenza kanjani. But I want to make sure ukuthi yonke into is straight la. Yebo. Any questions?
Hayi kuyacaca
No.
uzakela.
mina nje ngithola i-confirmation eqinisekisa something enkulumeni yethu ukuthi makunesibusiso esizayo kunendlela uNkulunkulu asintroduce ngayo especially kithi kuba ne-challenge then after challenge a blessing.
Exactly. And ekhumbula wena njengoba ubiziwe uqala iministry. Ilife yakho uNkulunkulu uzoyenza ngenkani ukuthi ishumi ngafana nabanye abantu. Your challenges ngeke zifane nabanye abantu. Your blessings ngeke zifane. You understand? That is why I advise you guys with fast more, pray more, read the word together, hlale phansi, lalela uNkulunkulu neplan. You understand? Thanda izinto ezinhle mnganakho. Iba ne-picture. Zibone lapha usmart, umnuka kamnandi. Mayizuza smart amuhle. You understand? Yeah, zibone ukuleya level. Ungakayibona kuseyakho. Deuteronomy 29:29 ithi okufihlekile kaNkulunkulu okumbuliwe okwethu nabantwana bethu. Yayizwa into ngisho if impumelelo ayikake revealwa kuwe, that means abantwana bakho bazohlupheka. But what is revealed okwethu nabantwana bethu. But okufihlekile okaNkulunkulu. So kusho ukuthi kumele siyethola lento uNkulunkulu ayifihlile. Yini le ngakayifihlile uNkulunkulu? Eyethu le nto le. Ithole, once wayithole yakho. You understand? So i-challenge isuke yinto ekuphushela to your success. Ngoba waqale wathola i-challenge, rejection, criticism, zonke lento lezo zikuphushela kuphi ukuthi uphume ebantwini.
Now comfort zone.
Ube noNkulunkulu. You understand? Moya ebantwini so kuyokhuluma lento kumele bayizwe then uyaphuma kubo. You understand? Yeah, because mawuzitshe ukuthi uzoba close nabantu uzoba, you understand, when you are a leader mnganami abantu basondela kuwe for ukuzothatha. You understand? It's only God ogcwalisayo kuwe, but abantu basondela kuwe ngokuzothatha. So you must know leyo nto leyo ukuthi bagcwele kanje kimi, not because they love me, they want something from me. Yabona? So yenza lento uNkulunkulu akuthume yona and draw a line. Yabona? Then i-calling baba, you must be prepared to live a lonely life. When you are called, you must be prepared to live a lonely life. Yetwa? Enjoy.
leyo baba iphendula enye indaba somehow kuma-challenges sithi sibhekana nawo kuminister,
Yeah.
kakhulu le ndaba yokusondelana nabazalwane.
Yes.
Currently yiyo into engibona ukuthi iyasilimita.
Yes. Because namhlanje bahleka nawe. Mina ngiyifundile lento engishaye for isikhathi eside kuministry. You understand? Because bengijabula ngibona abantu balana. Sasa labantu bohleli nabo basakubona ukuthi uyini. Yabo? It's true. Yeah, mase uthi ngicela ususelele ejana nawe ungalithatha. Ngiyayithola lento le. Basakubona ukuthi uyini because bajwayele yini yenza ukuthi uJudas athengise uJesu. La uJesu bekadla kakhulu la hamba khona.
Ukuncabuza.
Bekadla kakhulu la. Wagcina wamjwayela kabi sekakwazi nokumncabuza. Sekatshela labantu ukuthi lo engizomncabuza kuye. You understand? Yayithola. Ngobekiza kule point ukuthi la mawufunda uze uJesu wangena la bayadla. La ngapha bayadla. Futhi lo uJudas bene kumbona etoilet uyithengisa lento. Yeyibona. Obvious. Lento akaboni lento ekumele ayibone. That is why uJesu wagcina wababuza ukuthi abantu bathi mina ngubani. Yebo? Baphendula nje baphendula ngayo. Wathi okay, nina nithi mina ngubani. Mangihleli nani nibonani? Bona intanga yini? Bona umngane wenu nibonani? uLazarus, he was a friend kaJesu. Yabona kuba umngane kaJesu. uJesu uyakiyeka zikushaya izinto until uzobona ukuthi kahle kahle kusumngane lo. Inkosi, umsindisi. Yabona? Ya uJudas uJesu wamiyeka waze wafa. Bathe lo Lazarus lo mthanda kakhulu uyagula, wathi ukugula kwakhe ngeke kuphelele kufeni. Ukugula kwakho ukumfundisa ilesson ukuthi angisumngane wakhe. Umsindisi mele azangizwe ukuthi ngubani. Bathi zobe babuza ukuthi abantu bathi ngubani. Bese wathi nina nithi ngubani. Waphendula uPeter. Wathi you are the Messiah, the Son of the living God. Wathi wena shanto zikamoya. Akusinyama negazi kumbulelele. Akekho umuntu ongayikhuluma into ekhulumayo. Yabona? So you ukuba distant nebandla kuyasiza somehow. Ama challenges, ama temptation akuthola easy ngaphambi kwakho. Yabona? But once uzijwayeza ukuthi nje ngiyasuka phambi kwakho. Ngiyakubo when I'm in the attitude of prayer. Ngwi mode ya prayer. That's when I ngize ebantwini. You understand? Yabona mawukule ya mode in that attitude of prayer. Ngiyakutshela mnganami. Mawuqala ungena lapha your presence yazwakala. Mawuqala ukukhuluma izwi lakho liyazwakala. Mawuqala uthandaza kuyazwakala in the spirit ukuthi this person was with Jesus Christ. Emfihlakalweni before ezala. Yabo? So being lonely yakusiza ukuthi uba noJesu. Mase uya phakathi kwecrowd. Anyone okwazi ukuguqa kuNkulunkulu. Makafika ebantwini, uNkulunkulu uguqisa izinto phakamile. In your secret place uyaguqa phakama uNkulunkulu. Mase uya ebantwini, uNkulunkulu uguqisa yonke into phakama wena. So into esisizayo leyo ngokuba kude nabantu esibaholayo. Moses sebenzisa same strategy. Z3 ke lezi step uzibamba. Number 1, family style pastoring. He started the ministry with the people uMoses waqala kwavuka umsindo uNkulunkulu wathi hamba phambi kwabo etha step number 2 wahamba phambi kwabo abahola aphambili basemuva kwavuka umsindo step number 3 wathi uNkulunkulu go up hamba phezulu entabeni time ahamba no-Aaron no-Hur so check ukuthi ukwesiphi stage kuministry manje khona stage la uqala with the people you are here with them ubaqala kancane kancane step by step then kuzoba nesikhathi la kumele usuke kubo ube phambi kwabo kuba nesikhathi la kumele usuke phambi kwabo ube phezulu entabeni
kusho ukuthi yonke lento uyibona ngokuthi le style noma le level ayisaba contain labantu sebaya rebel
exactly phuma kubo
so usuyaphuma uhamba phambili
exactly the time uphuma uhamba phambili kunabantu abafundile kuwe obashiya
nabanye lokho bayafunda ngokubeka kuwe lapho
Exactly.
phambili
yeah. Because i-leadership awuthiyama ukushiya abantu ukuhola abantu bashiya uJesu uthi mlandeleni ngizonenza abadoli babantu ngaqeda lapho uyabafulathela ukuhola abantu bashiya
bese balanda